Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the disease dengue fever. So let's start. Dengue fever is a disease caused by a virus. It spreads through the bite of an infected mosquito. The mosquito that spreads dengue is called Aedes aegypti. This mosquito usually bites during the daytime. Dengue fever is common in warm and rainy places. It spreads quickly in areas with standing water like puddles and water containers where mosquitoes lay eggs. When a mosquito bites a person with dengue, it gets infected. Then it can spread the virus to other people by biting them. The first signs of dengue fever appear 4 to 10 days after the mosquito bite. The person may suddenly get a high fever. They may feel very weak and tight. Pain behind the eyes, joint pain, and muscle pains are also common. Some people call dengue brick bone fever because the pain can feel very strong. The person may also have a headache and red spots or a rash on the skin. Nausea and vomiting can also happen. Some people feel better after a few days, but others can get worse. There is no specific medicine to kill the dengue virus. Doctors treat the symptoms to help the patient feel better. Rest, drinking plenty of fluids, and taking fever medicines like paracetamol can help. It is important not to take aspirin or brufen because they can cause bleeding problems. Most people recover from dengue fever in 1 or 2 weeks, but sometimes it can become very serious. This is called severe dengue. In this case, the person may bleed from the nose or gums. They may have stomach pain, frequent vomiting, or feel dizzy. This condition needs immediate hospital care. To prevent dengue, the best way is to stop mosquito bites. People should wear clothes that cover the arms and legs. They can use mosquito repellents on the skin. Sleeping under a mosquito net is also helpful, especially during the day. Homes and surroundings should be kept clean and dry. Water containers should be covered and standing water should be removed. This helps stop mosquitoes from laying eggs. Governments also help by spraying insecticides in high risk areas. People should work together to stop the spread of dengue. If someone in the home has dengue, they should be protected from further mosquito bites. This stops the virus from spreading to others. There is a vaccine for dengue in some countries, but it is not available everywhere. Scientists are still working to make better vaccines and treatments. Dengue fever is a serious disease, but it can be prevented. With care, awareness, and action, we can protect ourselves and our communities. Clean surroundings, earlier treatment, and mosquito control are the key to staying safe from dengue. Everyone must do their part to stop the spread of this illness.